Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am participating with my friend Teresa over at For the Love of Paper Crafting, and I am playing along with her Grab and Go series. I have previously used this collection before. This is actually it's not a collection, it's a Scraproom kit. This one is from June 2023. Here, let me show you the papers that I have a picture in mind. It's just not yet printed. So there is that lovely. Here are the ones I've already kind of cut into. And here are the B-sides. Very cute. Now let me show you. I do have some scraps. Not very many, but I do have some. So there are those. And then I have some things that came in my kit. So I have these tag stickers and these floral stickers. It looks to be from a paper pad, but they're pretty good good weight cardstock. I will say they're not flimsy at all. They always do such a nice job with their kits. And then I also have these two flat-backed brads. So let me get going. Let me figure out what I want to make with this, and then I'll be back to show you the final product. Okay, friends, so you just saw a picture of the sketch that I decided to use. I stuck pretty close to the sketch. So the only thing is that I ended up pulling it from Pinterest and it didn't have who the sketch was by. So if you do know who created it, if you are watching it and it was you, or you know somebody who created it, please just put a comment in the put a comment below and let me know, and I will make sure that I give them credit. This is not my own design. So I've gone ahead, used up some paper strips, all the paper from the collection. Not all of it, but you know what I mean. All of this, I didn't bring in any from my stash, even the embellishments. The only thing that I did is I did bring some metal dies to do these leaves, but you could use whatever you want. And then I brought in some Distress inks, the spray, to kind of just make the splatter marks in behind. I was a little sad. Let me talk while I put my picture. I do have a picture that I printed. I was a little sad that my white ink spray by Dilutions it didn't come at all. You can't see any of the white splatters. So that I was a little disappointed about. I decided that I'm going to store that one upside down. Even though I shook it quite a bit, it still, you know, it didn't do its thing. I think I'm going to use both of these up. I do think I like this butterfly, maybe there. And that will bring in the 3 butterflies. That one is too close to it, right? What about here? Maybe here. It feels like something ripped off there. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Right there. All right. So there you have it. It was so easy to do this one and so much fun. Again, these were all stickers. Everything that you kind of see a little bit of gloss on, including the title, were all stickers. Even these up here. These were just papers from the collection, or the kit, I should say. It wasn't a collection. And then this is what I have left over. Let me show you. So again, this was the June 2023 Scraproom kit. And here's what I've got left over. I no longer have any full-size pieces of paper, so I have some scraps here to move forward. I really love this paper. I'm gonna definitely put that in my kit starters. I also love this pink. It goes great. I might just make a kit with this again, right? I'm gonna need a bigger paper for the background, but that just gives it a whole different look right there. I don't know about this blue, but it also has this tiny floral, which I did use on the layout. I'm going to put it on the blue side for now. And then I have these leftovers. This and this. I think I'm just going to get rid of these. I have no more of the adhesive-backed enamel brads, just adhesive-backed brads. And then I have these that are left over. I used a bunch of these flowers, but I still have a bunch of these tags. Maybe I can think of something to do with them. Yeah, so that's what I have left. I think, like I said, I think I'm going to leave this one intact. Maybe just add a piece of white cardstock and we'll have another paper kit ready to go with some embellishments, obviously, but not very many. Might have to just, I may put this one aside so that I can add some more things to this one. But there it is. Thank you so much for watching and playing along. If you played along, if you have a Scraproom kit, this is a great way. Just go in, grab it. I didn't have a picture printed until earlier today, and that's after the layout was done. And I obviously found a picture to go with it that I wanted to document. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back until next time. Bye for now.